Hi everyone, hope you are doing well. The video topic is about affiliate marketing. You will get full details. And this is a tutorial video, so this will be beneficial for any beginners who wish to make a career in affiliate marketing, founders, and also the non-founders, the general public who is to become affiliate, and also the professional affiliates. You will explore many things in this video about ONPASSIVE, the commission structure, the uniqueness, the various benefits for the founding members, and also for the affiliates from the public. Okay. Welcome my dear friends, welcome to Shanti Ghosh videos. Now first thing, let us understand what is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the process of making money online every time a customer purchases a product based on your recommendation. Okay. In ONPASSIVE platform you will explore many things. See, there are two kinds, you can say, the affiliate marketing. It's a one-time product sale. Okay, you get the commissions, and after that you have to again search for customers. Okay, like that. Okay. Other thing is in let us say software or digital products, subscription-based model. Okay, or affiliate marketing, you can acquire new customer as well as you will earn commissions through the subscription renewal. Okay, you will get many details in this video. Okay. Now my dear friend, let us understand the process. Affiliate marketing, basically it is the various affiliate marketing programs are available, okay, in the market. Okay, like Amazon affiliate marketing and various affiliate marketings, also the various digital products, software products, there is a affiliate marketing program, and the various norms are there. Okay, so basic things is the registration. You have to register for affiliate. Okay, you'll get a link and you have to promote the link, and based on the actual sales you earn commissions. Okay, and in ONPASSIVE you will explore the things, what advantages you are getting. Okay, now my dear friend, in affiliate marketing, no, for best commission income, it is from the digital and software product. Okay, commission ranges from 10% to 30%, like that. Okay, and in ONPASSIVE we explore the very surprising thing. And basically in affiliate marketing, many affiliate marketers, they earn a huge amount, but it is their own effort. Okay, we'll discuss a few other points. Okay. And in subscription based model, you are getting dual benefits. The stream of income, one is from the new customer acquisition, and the from the subscription renewal. Okay, now my dear friend, about ONPASSIVE. ONPASSIVE is basically a AIIT company as having a global presence, business all over the globe, 24/7, and it is the unique creation by our honorable Mr. Ash Mufare. He is our CEO and founder. Okay, and ONPASSIVE is build a massive infrastructure, brand name, and various things, various digital products. One of the product, revolutionary product, is Connect. This is the AI based web video conferencing tool, and it was launched in September 2023, and many of the founding members, okay, as a first inner circle, they have already started earning, they are getting affiliate commission, and some of the founding members, they earn a huge commissions. Okay, there is a one story. Okay, there is a one thing. And ONPASSIVE, the pay in and payout, you know that fund inflow and outflow, that's the most important. So all this payment system all are streamlined, and the bulk payout is on. Okay, so many of the founders who are affiliates and earn commissions, they will get it. Okay, And my dear friend, on passive, it is making a revolution in the digital world, and on passive is the future of internet. Okay, it's uplifting humanity through the most advanced technology, AI, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. It is having a total ecosystem. This is the SaaS model, software as a service, and many things. On passive is having the data center and massive data center, and various things are on the way. Okay. Now, my dear friend, on passive you come to know it's a global AID company and affiliate marketing. Okay. On passive is not selling directly to the let's say end users or things like that. Okay. It is through the founders link and through the affiliate program. So we will discuss how to become affiliate. Okay, and through AI automation you will get the artificial intelligence automation advantage and various advantages, and it is having a reseller program like that affiliate program. Okay, my dear friend, see. Basic things in non-passive ecosystem, OES. Okay, so first you can become affiliate from the founders or the existing founders. You can become affiliate to earn affiliate commissions, and also from the public you can join affiliate. Okay, it's open. Okay, and many of the, let us say, even students, professional, housewives, or whatever maybe if you wish to earn money online through affiliate program, on passive is the platform. You are having various advantages, single sign on various products, and various, the commission structure is unique, will come to know. And my dear friend, for that you have to register into the ecosystem, and founders you can migrate to the ecosystem. You have not migrated, many people migrated, and you should become an affiliate. For that you have to sign the NDA, non-disclosure agreement is there, and other agreement you have to sign the affiliate agreement. Please go through both the documents and explore many things. It is self-explanatory. For your information, we will discuss some of the points. Okay. Now, my dear friend, the latest thing, you got the affiliate agreement and things like that. Okay. Now in affiliate commission, to become eligible for affiliate, there is a eligibility criteria. It's very basic criteria. Okay. Anybody, let us say, in the legal age, let's say 18 years or plus. Okay. And or based on the country's things, you can become eligible. Okay. And the unique structure, it is totally unique. And some of the uniqueness also will give you. So first uniqueness, there's the commission structure. In first sale you will get 100%. My dear friend, whatever, let us say you are putting the money for let's say subscription of a paid product to become eligible to earn commissions and things like that. No, in one sale itself you will recover. Okay. For founders benefits, there are benefits. So traffic distribution is there, and even from the public there are various benefits. Okay, so there are so many automated things, various links with so many things, you will get it, and subsequent sells 25%. So you can, it is a limitless based on the things. No, it is limitless. There is no limit to earn commissions. And my dear friend, the indication on whatever latest updates, let's say Organic is launched and few other products are under launch, and the commission structure is 100%, 20%. But the actual, let us say, subscription amount will vary, so the amount of that thing, it will vary. Okay. And my dear friend, founders and non-founder benefits, exclusive benefits for the founders. You will get the traffic allocation, AI traffic. Okay, and you know that in internet business, traffic is the main thing. Non-founders, you will get an advantage. You will get the advantage of marketing and brand. Okay, that advantage, you will get the professional videos and very write-ups in link itself. Okay, and there is automation things. And also, as a founding members, if you wish to earn extra, then you can promote the affiliate link. You can create your whatever things, blogging or YouTube or shorts, social media marketing, email marketing. And so this is a great opportunity. Explore more. Okay, that's all in this video. Wish you all the best. Thanks a lot for active watching.